Good morning, my dear students. Today, in our computer class, we'll start with the last chapter, that is chapter number 6, Introduction to Windows 7. Okay, as I have here Windows 10 software, but I will explain you about the Windows 7 software. Just take out your textbook of page number 40, that is chapter number 6, Introduction to Windows 7. So I am reading the chapter, and then you have to see how it works and how I explain everything. As we need a principal for a proper functioning of a school, similarly every computer requires a special software for the proper functioning. The software which makes a computer usable, तो जिस सॉफ्टवेयर से कंप्यूटर चलता है, that is known as operating system. Okay, the computer works on the basis of the software, and that software is known as operating system. Windows is one of the most popular operating system. You might be using Ubuntu, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 in your school. Okay, in our school we use Windows 7. Among these, Windows 7 is the most widely used operating system at the school level. So students, you can see the screen of the Windows 7. We are having first the down, you can see the start button. In Windows 10, here is the start button. Okay, and then you can see the open program. As this program is open, so it is known as open program. Here the line comes now, so this is the open program, and this whole line is known as taskbar. Okay, the down bottom line is known as taskbar. Then on the right side, bottom right side, you can see the date, time, battery, power, hidden icons. Okay, everything is shown here. Yeah, and these all are the icons. What we say the icons. Likewise, this is the icon of this PC. This is the icon of network. This is the icon of recycle bin, icon of control panel. In this way, in computer language, it is known as icons. What we say, these are the icons. Okay, now moving ahead, we are having the next paragraph below the picture. This screen of the Windows 7 is known as desktop, and the whole screen is known as desktop. Okay, what we say it is desktop. The desktop is the main screen that you can see once you turn on your computer. जैसे ही आप computer start करोगे, the screen which comes, that is known as desktop. It is like a surface of a table where you can keep the icons of the program which you need to use frequently. यहाँ पे हम वही icons रखते हैं, वही programs रखते हैं that we use frequently. Okay? Frequently means जो हम बार बार use करते हैं, again and again we use the same program. You can also put the different files and folders on the desktop. बहुत सारे files, बहुत सारे folders you can make it and keep it on the desktop. Desktop is the main area. Okay, that is the main screen which when we open our computer or when we switch on our computer. You can also put the different files and folders on the desktop and arrange them as you want. और आप arrange कर सकते हो जिससे भी आपको चाहिए. If suppose I want this icon over here, so what I will do, I'll just select and drag it over here. Okay, if I select and drag it over here, in this way we can change it. Okay, then is the unwanted icons, files, folders can be removed from the desktop by deleting them. If you want to delete, you can delete also. How you can delete it? Just right click and delete option is there. Okay, if you want to delete this one, just right click and delete. In this way you can delete your files and folders also. Now come to your page number 41. Icon. Now icon is what I explained you earlier, the small picture of every program, that is known as a icon. The small picture on the desktop representing any file, कोई भी file हो, कोई भी program हो या कोई भी folder हो, that is known as icon. Icon, you can see the icon of the notepad file, paint file, windows folder, ये सारे हमारे यहाँ पे icons बने हुए हैं. Okay, as we keep those things on reading table, which we require frequently. Similarly, the icon of those programs which are frequently used are kept on desktop. जो हम icons बार बार use करते हैं, we keep that icons on the desktop. We can open a program quickly by double clicking its icon on the desktop. अभी हमको कोई भी program, कोई भी file open करनी है, तो how you will do it? Just double click the icon and it will open. Okay. Now our next topic is a taskbar. I explained you what was a taskbar. The below line here, the bottom line, this is known as taskbar. ये पूरा क्या है? हमारा taskbar है. The horizontal bar at the bottom of the Windows 7 is known as taskbar. ये हमारा horizontal line है below of the screen. The taskbar contains the start button on the left side. ये हमें हमारा start button मिल गया. Okay. The start button is used to assess programs, folders and computer settings. तो आप start button में जाके यहाँ पे आप जितने भी चाहिए अपने आप programs use कर सकते हो. Okay. Yes. Now on the right side on the taskbar we see the notification area. हमारे पास right side में क्या है? I showed you earlier. This is the notification area where we can see the notifications that what all comes in our PC. This is the hidden items. This is for Wi-Fi, battery, speakers, messages. Here you can see the new notifications are there. Okay. These all are the notifications you can see. Yes. Now, and the time is there. Yes. Now our next is the taskbar also shows which programs are running and also allows us to switch between those programs. Okay. Now if you want to open this, you can open this one. If you want to minimize it, you can minimize this one. If you want to open the new one, so you can open the new one also. If suppose I am using this control panel, open and minimize it. If you want to open the recycle bin, open and minimize it. In this way you can open and minimize each and everything and you can keep it over here. Okay, here you can see when I click over here, this recycle bin has been opened, the control panel has been opened. Okay, in this way. So that is easily, if you want to switch means हमको change करना है कि यहाँ से वहाँ कौन से program में जाना है. If suppose I am using the notepad file first, then we are using the paint file, then I am using the Google, then I am using computers. ऐसे. If you want to switch anything, we can switch it at that time by keeping it in a taskbar, that is using the minimize button. Okay. Now important desktop icons. The icon of the computer is a gateway to all the information. The icon of the computer is the gateway. Means computer का जो icon है, that is a gateway to all the information. सारे information जो भी आपके computer में जो भी information है, that everything is the gateway of the, it is in the computers. So computer is a gateway to all the informations. It shows the hard disk drive and other hardwares connected to your computer. This icon is very useful to browse all the storage devices. So let me see. Yes. So here is this PC. जैसे ही हम this PC में गए, यहाँ पे पूरा है ये सारी आपके drives, devices and connect drives. तो मेरे पास 5 drives हैं, 5 devices हैं जो connected हैं, and here all my desktop files, my document files, my download file, music, pictures, videos, everything is being displayed over here. If I go to documents, you can see plenty of documents are here. Okay, plenty of documents, plenty of files, folders, everything is being displayed over here. So in this way you can, through this my PC, you can see all the information that is stored in your computer. Yes. Now storage devices like hard disk, DVDs, pen drives, etc. are, so these are all the hard disks and drives which you can see through this PC. The following screen shows the view when the computer icon is opened by double clicking. So I showed you everything. That was Windows 10. Mine is Windows 10. but in this picture it's a Windows 7, so you can see the picture in your textbook which is of Windows 7. Yes, now our next topic is recycle bin. Okay, students, everybody might know what is recycle bin. The things which we delete from the computers are stored in recycle bin, okay, for some time period. Then afterwards, if we want to free that space also, we have to delete the files from the recycle bin also. So the recycle bin contains the files and folders which we have deleted. To delete any file or a folder, you can follow any of the following method. So let's delete some files and folders. Let me see how. Okay, see, I'm first reading it everything. Drag the icon to the recycle bin and drop on it. Drag करके recycle bin में drop कर दो. Or select the icon of the file, press the delete key from the keyboard. That's the second option. Now the third option is right click the icon and select the delete option from the pop-up menu. Okay, the three methods I am showing you. What to do? If suppose I want to delete this one, so first is drag and drop to recycle bin. This is the file which I want to delete, and here is the recycle bin. Just drag it and put it over here. See, just drag it and put it over here. It moved. Okay, then is what? Select the icon of the file and press the delete key. If suppose you want to select this one, select karo and press the delete key from the keyboard. Delete kar do. It is gone. Understood? Yes. Now right click the icon and press delete. That I told you, right click the item and press the delete key. In this way. So these are the three methods. Understood the three methods practically? Very good. Yeah. The deleted files are not permanently deleted. Permanently delete नहीं हुआ है from the computer, but moves to the recycle bin. We can retrieve मतलब हम उसको वापस ले आ सकते हैं the deleted files from the recycle bin, और can permanently delete it, या फिर हम उसको permanently delete कर सकते हैं from the computer by empty the recycle bin. Recycle bin को अपन empty करके. So you just open the recycle bin. You can see the two things which we have deleted. So if you want to delete it permanently, just right click and here delete is there. और if you want to restore में अब आपको वापस लाना है वही चीज, तो restore button is there. Okay, this also right click and restore. Okay, understood? Now this recycle bin is empty. Now just close this one. Understood everyone? If you want to delete it, select the delete button. If you want to restore it, select the restore button by right clicking, not the left, right clicking. Yeah. Now our second is control panel. Control panel is very important icon for the advanced management of your computer system. Okay. It allows you to change the different settings of the computer system and customize the functionality of the computer. So control panel क्या करता है? Manage करता है पहले तो computer system को, and it allows you to change the different settings. अलग अलग settings change करने के लिए, कुछ customize अपना कुछ रखने के लिए उसमें भी वो use करता है. Okay? Yes. Now using the control panel, you can back up your computer data. Computer data का आप वापस भी ले आ सकते हो. Change the setting of internet and networking. If you want to change the network also, means आपको Wi-Fi connect करना हो, you can connect through settings. Manage the different hardware जो mouse है, keyboards हैं, उन सबको जो attach करने के लिए होते हैं. You can change the setting also. Uninstall unwanted programs. कुछ programs आपने install कर दिया है, उसको uninstall करना है, you can do it from there. Create different user account. अलग अलग users बनते हैं. You will study it everything in your higher classes. अलग अलग users बनते हैं. Okay. So users you can create it. You can change the appearance of the computer, time, data, language, everything you can change it through control panel. I can show you where is the control panel. Okay. So here is the control panel. Yes. So these are everything. See, it's a personalization. यहाँ से आप सब कुछ change कर सकते हो. Region, user accounts. I was saying ना different users बनते हैं. Then language you can change it from here. Backup and restore. You can see I have updated here Windows 10. So Windows 7 was the backup. So वो backup and restore हो सकता है यहाँ से. Then see, this is the hardware, that is a mouse. डिवाइस मैनेजर है, यहाँ पे हमारे जितने भी हम प्रिंटर ऐड कर सकते हैं, नए नए डिवाइसेस ऐड कर सकते हैं, पेन ड्राइव्स ऐड कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो थ्रू दिस we can change the system setting also from here. We can change the power options, security and maintenance. Everything can be changed through control panel. Okay, so that's a very important icon. Now students, come to your page number 43, that is changing the desktop background. Windows 7 allows you to change its look by changing desktop background. Desktop background मतलब ये जो हमारा wallpaper है पीछे, वो आप change कर सकते हो. That is the desktop background. Yes. Windows का color change कर सकते हो, sound, screen saver, everything you can change it. To make these changes, just right click on your empty area of the desktop. तो ये मेरा empty area है, मैंने उधर right click किया. Yes. Then what's written? Of a desktop and select the personalize option on the pop-up menu. See, this is known as pop-up menu. जो हमारा menu आ जाता है right click से, that is pop-up menu. Okay, select the personalize. Select किया हमने, personalize किया. Here at the bottom of the screen you can see the 4 options to make. यहाँ पे हमारे पास बहुत सारे options हैं. Okay, to change the look of the Windows 7. So सबसे पहले अपन को क्या चेंज करना है? डेस्कटॉप बैकग्राउंड. ओके, दिस इज यूज टू चेंज द बैकग्राउंड इमेज. सी, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हैं ना, कलर्स, लॉक स्क्रीन, थीम, स्टार्ट एंड एवरीथिंग इज देयर. ओके, या to clicking on this option will bring the screen as shown here. Change the background image. तो ये हमारा बैकग्राउंड पहले से सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है. So whatever picture you need, just click over here. चेंज हो गया, ये चाहिए, और if you want this one. Okay, yes, here you can select one or more images to be as the desktop background. Each image will remain on the desktop for 30 minutes by default. You can also change its time from 10 seconds to 1 day. Means 10 seconds में वो change होता जाए. Okay. Using the browse button you can select the other images and even your own profile picture. If you want to browse में जाके आप अपने खुद का image अगर कंप्यूटर में saved है, you can use that image also as your desktop background. Similarly, you can change the window color, screen, sound, screen saver, etc. So in this way you can change the sound, screen saver, settings, etc. सारी settings आप change वहाँ पे कर सकते हो. See the colors, you can change it from here. कौन सा color रखना है? If you want to select this one. Okay, then is a lock screen. Lock screen आपकी ऐसी, जो मेरी ऐसी है lock screen. If you want to change it to this one, you can change it. These are the themes. थीम सेटिंग्स है, साउंड सेटिंग्स हैं, डेस्कटॉप का आइकन सेटिंग्स हैं. आइकन्स कैसे रख सकते हैं आप, वो कर सकते हो. ओके, सो इन दिस वे you can change the settings of your, see here the settings is being changed. Okay, yeah students, now come to your page number 44. Turn off your computer safely. जैसे ही आप turn off करते हो, turn off your computer very safely. This is the most important task while using a computer. If the computer is not turned off properly, there are chances of causing damage to the computer. Okay, computer को damage हो सकता है, and it may damage the lifelong of the computer also, which may result in loss of the information stored in it. और कुछ informations भी उसमें से damage हो सकती हैं. Before you turn off the computer, make sure that no programs are running. कोई भी program रन चालू नहीं है, मीन्स सारे icons बंद होने चाहिए. Okay, yes. For example, if you are working with the paint, if you are working with the paint and if you want to turn off the computer, then close first the paint program. तो जैसे ही आपको जितने भी आपने सॉफ्टवेयर खोल के रखे हैं, लाइकवाइज नोटपैड चालू है, पेंट चालू है, सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू क्लोज ऑल द प्रोग्राम्स, clear all the screen, then go to start button and switch off. Okay, yes. For example, from the above image of the task bar indicates that there are two programs. वहाँ पे टेक्स्ट बुक पिक्चर देखो, दो प्रोग्राम्स खुले हुए हैं, नोटपैड और पेंट, दोनों प्रोग्राम्स खुले हुए हैं. So first you have to save and close the program and then turn off the computer. सेव करना है तो सेव करो. If suppose सेव नहीं करना है, just don't save it. Then close the program. उसके बाद ही कंप्यूटर हमारा बंद होगा. After closing all the programs, click on the start button and then click on the shutdown as shown in the following screen. टेक्स्ट बुक में पिक्चर देखो, आपका शटडाउन बटन किधर है, थोड़ा राइट साइड में है. ओके, गो टू द स्टार्ट बटन एंड वहां पे राइट साइड में शटडाउन बटन है. यू विल नॉट सी एनीथिंग ऑन द मॉनिटर आफ्टर कंप्यूटर शट्स डाउन. अब कंप्यूटर शट डाउन हो गया तो मॉनिटर पे कुछ भी नहीं दिखेगा. डू नॉट प्रेस द पावर बटन ऑन ऑफ सीपीयू. सीपीयू का पावर बटन बिल्कुल बंद नहीं करने का, बिकॉज वो अगेन आफ्टर यू क्लिक ऑन टर्न ऑफ ऑप्शन, आफ्टर यू क्लिक ऑन टर्न ऑफ ऑप्शन, यूपीएस खुद ही बंद हो जाता है. ओके, नाउ सीपीयू. Now if you have the UPS connected, then switch it off. UPS को हमको बंद करना पड़ता है, but if you have CPU अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली बंद होता है. You don't have to press any button for that. And UPS को बंद करने के लिए UPS का बटन बंद करना होता है. Now put off the switch of the wall which is connected to CPU. Then main switch होते हैं, वो main switch आपको बंद करना होता है. Cover the computer properly after it shut down. Cover कर देने का. If suppose you are having any computer cover, just cover it off. Okay, understood students? In this way it is start button and mine is here power and shutdown. Okay, understood? In this way we completed our chapter. We completed the course of the second semester. Now I'm attaching the PDF also. Just see the PDF and write it whole in your computer textbook. Okay students? Yes. Thank you.